In the crushing dark, miles beneath the waves, a new era of exploration is dawning. 95% of our ocean remains a mystery, a vast, uncharted frontier. But now, artificial intelligence is our guide into the abyss. Autonomous drones dispatched from research vessels in the US and UK descend into depths once thought unreachable. Guided by sophisticated AI, they navigate treacherous underwater canyons, their sonar painting a picture of a world unseen. These intelligent machines are not just mapping the seafloor. They are hunting for life. AI algorithms analyze a constant stream of data, identifying strange new species and decoding the complex language of the deep. What secrets does this dark world hold? Could AI uncover not just new life, but evidence of something more? The ocean is calling, and for the first time, we have the tools to truly listen. Stay tuned as we dive deeper